Welcome back to Pokey's Mechanical. Today I've got this 80 series cruiser in here with a 1FZ engine, and we have no compression on cylinder 3, so I'm about to pull the head off. Let's see what happened. Alrighty, now we've got the head off. Now I had a bit of a look over everything. The pistons look good, the bores look good. Head gasket doesn't show any signs of failing. The head, however, we pop our light on here. This is our cylinder 1, 2, 3. And we take a look in here, you can see the valve seats actually let go, it's popped out. And it is not sealing right there. So thankfully the engine's okay, just we need to get this all cleaned up and send this off for a head job. Otherwise, everybody have a good day and say hi to your friends. Cheers, have a good day. Cheers.